My name is Dr. Elsiddig. I'm a pediatrician working with Prevea Health. For my patients, I just want them to be healthy and happy. It's the same goal I would have for my own family, for my own son. Like I want them to be happy, to be healthy, to trust me, to provide the best health care for them, and to always keep the family involved, keep an open door for difficult conversations. Our practice, most important thing is to be evidence-based, based on knowledge and researches, but it is vital to hear the family, to incorporate their values, their beliefs, their culture into the decision making so that they're comfortable enough that this plan was shared and was basically a teamwork. As a new mom, I feel like I relate more to my patients, but also to moms. I've always related to them as fellow women, but now I relate to moms more as I experience the same things, from childcare, from lack of sleep, from navigating multiple tasks throughout the day. I feel like it's definitely more relatable and personal now. I found my purpose in taking care of kids. I think it's a joyful purpose in life and a privilege to walk beside the family as they give care for their children.